There is a pink Boss, a 2020 Russian Star Wars, Clone Wars, Boss, Acolyte Bootleg in the 2020s. This is a 95 plus, it's a 98.3, graded by CAS. Please like, subscribe, leave us a comment. Do you have one of these? Look at the pink Boss. And there's two weapons. Here's the pink Boss, the backside. Russian Bootleg. There's one weapon, nice and gold. There is another one. That is Boss from the top. And here is Boss going from the bottom up. And right there is the tag one more time. And right here is a certificate of authenticity, or however you pronounce it. 2020 Star Wars Russian Bootleg action figure, graded 10/17/2022. Russian Bootleg Star Wars, 95 plus. And there we go. Please like, subscribe, leave us a comment. Thank you.